Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto by Binance. First, you'll need to set up and verify your Binance account, which typically takes a few minutes. This ensures a secure trading environment. Once verified, you can easily fund your account using several convenient payment methods, such as a bank transfer or a debit card. Then, navigate to the Buy Crypto section, where you'll find straightforward options to make your first purchase. It's a simple process designed for everyone. Binance offers several flexible ways to buy cryptocurrency. You can use a credit or debit card for instant purchases, though these might incur a small processing fee, typically around 2%. Alternatively, a bank deposit is a popular choice, often with lower fees, but it can take between 1 and 3 business days for funds to clear. For more advanced users, peer-to-peer trading allows direct transactions with other users, offering competitive rates and diverse payment options. Once you've selected your preferred method, simply enter the amount of fiat currency you wish to spend, or the amount of cryptocurrency you want to acquire. Binance will display the current exchange rate and any applicable fees clearly. Always take a moment to review all the order details, ensuring everything is correct before proceeding. After confirming your purchase, your new cryptocurrency will be swiftly deposited into your Binance Spot wallet, ready for trading or holding. After your purchase, your cryptocurrency is securely held in your Binance Spot wallet. From here, you have several options. You can choose to hold your assets, trade them for other cryptocurrencies, or transfer them to an external wallet for long-term storage. Remember to always prioritize security, enable two-factor authentication, and use strong, unique passwords. Binance provides robust security measures, but your active participation is key to protecting your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.